The Education Minister of Meghalaya, Rakam Sangma, on Tuesday attended the 5th Special Annual Conference of the Meghalaya Upper Primary School Teachers Association, Mupsta, as the chief guest. Mupsta celebrated its 30th anniversary with the theme, Be a Leader, Be the Difference, Be the Light, Be a Teacher. The event took place at Madan Kawang, Umulong, and was attended by MLA Sutnga Saipung, Santa Mary Shilla, and other state-level representatives. During the conference, the founding members of Mupsta were felicitated and a brief history of the association was presented. Kenneth Shaddap handed over the memorandum and the chief guest released the souvenir. Addressing the gathering, the Education Minister congratulated the teaching community on their 30 years of existence and extended greetings from the Chief Minister, Cabinet and the government.
There are one teacher who has 80 to 90,000 per month. I wish, as our honorable advisor has already stated, when we see our teachers on the street, it does not sound good. It does not sound good. Yes, there is a problem. There will be a problem, but there is always a way forward. Therefore, may I like to assume today, whatever the possible that we can, government is trying and will try our best to address the problems of the teacher.
In a momentous event organized